Hello and welcome. Today we're showcasing the ASLAINY gold bathroom light fixtures, a stylish choice for any bathroom. The brushed gold finish pairs perfectly with frosted glass shades, creating a modern and elegant look. These fixtures offer soft, eye-friendly lighting ideal for your daily routines like makeup and shaving. Made from durable materials, they resist corrosion and maintain their fresh appearance over time. With 4 lights, they provide uniform illumination and can be dimmed with the right switch and bulbs. Installation is simple with clear instructions and all necessary accessories included. Plus, ASLAINY offers reliable customer support for any questions you might have. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.